Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video we're going to grade half an ellipse. And we don't really know what this graph is going to look like just yet, but when I manipulate both sides by squaring both sides, I'm going to end up with an equation that looks like an ellipse. And because it's y over 2 equals negative radical of that expression, that's going to be the bottom half of the ellipse. If it started off without the negative sign, then it would be the top half of the ellipse. So first step would be to square both sides. And that gives me y squared over 4 equals, when we square a negative square root, the negative part times negative is positive. Squaring a square root gets rid of that square root. We've got 1 minus x squared over 25. And if we add the x squared term over to the left, we get something that's in the standard form of an ellipse. So again, this is definitely an ellipse. A is 5 and B is 2 because 5 squared is 25 and 2 squared is 4. Remember, we use the variable a to the symbol a to go with the larger of those two denominators. B goes with the smaller one. Still working with ones that are centered at the origin. A is 5, so 5 to the right, 5 to the left. B is 2, so if we were graphing the full ellipse, it would be up 2 and down 2. However, because we're graphing just the bottom half here, it's going to look like this. Something like that. The domain, left to right, that is -5, 5. The range from the bottom to the top, that's -2 up to 0. For the foci, c squared equals the square root of a squared minus b squared. C squared equals the square root of 25 minus 4. Remember that the original denominators here, those are a squared and b squared. So I could write 5 squared and 2 squared if I wanted to, but those end up being 25 and 4 again. So c is the square root of 21. That's approximately 4 and change. Let's see how much change that is. Square root 21, that is about 4.6 to the nearest tenth. So here and here would be our two foci. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next video.